So we will start with the basic exercise for senior citizens. Shall we start? Now we will go for wrist rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Opposite. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax for a second. Now again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Now we are going to make a fist of our palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, relax. Now take both the hands, both the legs front. Hold. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will go for single leg rotation. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Change the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Opposite. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Now we are going to work on the knee. You can hold the leg or you can do it without holding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Will change. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Now sit straight, shoulders roll back. We'll take both the hands above your head and then bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8. Now come up. Sit straight. Now we are going to bend sideways. Hold the chair. Sit back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, last two, 9 and 10. Then relax. Now we are going to turn towards our right. Now very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, last two, 9 and 10. Now sit straight. Move to the edge of the chair. Now go for a small massage on the knee. Clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Opposite. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now hold the chair. Okay? And take it a little bit tough. Okay? We're going to lift the hip and sit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Very good. If you want a little more intense, we will take our right leg front. Okay? Keep our left leg on the floor. Now hold the chair. Now get up. 1 and sit. Little bit. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Very good. You will change the leg. Take your left leg front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Good. Sit straight. Shoulders roll back. Try to do this every day. Try to practice this every day. Okay? Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe.